Alright guys, so welcome to the video, and I'm going to talk about my 3D printed YEEZY slides that I 3D printed a little while back. And yeah, I just want to share with you guys like the possibilities of 3D printing. Now, I 3D printed these with TPU filament, which TPU filament is stretchable filament, which require a lower, like way lower print speed. And I believe the TPU that I use for these YEEZY slides are the Overture TPU, which I do have a brand new package right here. Now, this is pretty much the TPU that I used. This is obviously in a black. I highly recommend this stuff, but I used it in a red colorway for this 3D print of YEEZY slides. And like I was saying, for the temperature, like this one says 210 to 230 degrees Celsius. So you guys just want to play around with the temperature. And if ever you guys do get a little bit of string in, I mean, I wouldn't worry about it too much. I mean, like for these YEEZY slides, these were actually my very first time 3D printing with TPU. And they actually came out very good for my very first time. I mean, granted, it could be a lot better, but I am super happy with these. And because of these results that I got from the very first time 3D printing with TPU, I might actually start 3D printing with TPU again. I am also going to be trying out different temperatures. And again, also with TPU, you need a 3D print at lower speeds. At least that's where you want to start out at. If it's going to be your first time 3D printing with TPU, I mean, I would recommend going at very slow printing speeds. Like I believe when I 3D printed these, I believe my 3D printing speed was 30 millimeters per second. And I believe I used like the max temperature of 230 degrees Celsius, which I will probably definitely turn down a lot more just to see the results. But I mean, overall, these turned out sweet. Now let's go ahead and take off the supports real quick. So, I mean, removing the supports was not too bad. So here's the supports. Now, this is kind of like what I actually want to achieve on my next YEEZY slide. Like I want to make it a lot more flexible. As you guys can see, these are the supports, totally flexible. Here's the bottom. And removing the supports is actually not too bad. I mean, look at that. It just tears right off. There you go. Yeah, they just come right off. So I also wanted to mention, also one of the requirements with 3D printing with TPU is also switching to Bowden tubes. And you can get these really cheap off of Amazon. But with using Bowden tubes, they have low friction PTFE lining that helps guide the filament a lot smoother, that reduces jamming and under extrusion. Or the second route that you guys can also try out is using a direct drive extruder, which I would highly recommend if you guys are thinking of getting into 3D printing. And if you're looking for a 3D printer, I would highly suggest as well getting a 3D printer starting off that already has a direct drive extruder. That way you can pretty much 3D print with any filament, especially with TPU filament. Peel right off. Super easy. I mean, that sound is also very satisfying. I mean, look. I mean, give it a listen. Give it a listen. Yeah, I mean, that sounds really satisfying. Here you go. We're almost there. Whew. I just love the sound of that. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we got a little bit here on the side. All right, so we got a little bit on the back here. I actually like removing supports a lot better with TPU than PLA, actually, to be honest. All right, so we got all the supports removed on this other YEEZY slide, and again, completely flexible, as you guys can see. But yeah, I mean, let's go ahead and try them on. All right, guys, so let's try them on and see how they feel. I mean, first off, I love the color. I mean, I've never really seen red Yeezy slides, so these are pretty cool. I mean, they're really unique, but yeah, I definitely want to try and do less infill the next time around. I 3D print Yeezy slides with TPU, most definitely. But I mean, for my very first time 3D printing with TPU, I mean, I think this is a huge success. I mean, granted, could be a lot better, but I mean, these are awesome. And again, very unique. I'm definitely gonna widen these things the next time I 3D print them. But yeah, I mean, 3D printing is awesome, especially if you want to 3D print things that you can actually use. I mean, you'll have a blast with 3D printing, especially if you want to 3D print with TPU and 3D print maybe your own pair of Yeezy slides. I mean, these things are sweet. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That way you guys don't miss out the next time I 3D print a pair of Yeezy slides with TPU. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.